Hi everyone, I've recorded this short video to allow readers of my SEMrush blog find the search term report within Google AdWords. So firstly, simply click Keywords, followed by Search Terms, and as you can see here, we have various metrics for any given keyword. For example, 69 clicks, 223 impressions, 40 pence cost per conversion at a conversion rate of 23.19%, and the total cost was £6.37. If you'd like to manipulate this report and add and remove columns, simply click Modify Columns and then select which columns you'd like to add or subtract. There's also the option here to download this report by clicking here, selecting the format you'd like to save in, and then hitting download. You also obviously have the option of asking your PPC colleagues or agency to send you this report, as they can extract it from Google AdWords fairly easily. Apologies that I had to obscure the search term data over here. The reason for that is because this is a client's report, so for confidentiality reasons I had to leave that information out. Thanks guys.